Hello, children. Welcome back to online class. Kids, I hope all of you are doing good at your home. Children, in previous class we had learned this, we had read this story completely. I hope all of you learned how to pronounce each and every word properly. So, as I told you before, today I am going to explain this lesson. So, all of you listen carefully, children. Then only you will understand this story. Because if you will not listen it carefully, you may get confused. Okay? So, as I told you before, children, this was the story of Alice and a white rabbit, as you see in the picture. Then let me tell you something, that this extract has been taken from the novel Alice Adventure in Wonderland. Children, this small part has been taken from that big novel. Okay? And this is popularly known as Alice in Wonderland. Written by whom, children? This story is written by Lewis Carroll. As you see in our book, the writer's name has been written. Okay? So, this story was written in 1865, children, which is more than 100 years ago. And it is a story of a little girl, Alice, and her world of imagination. Okay? Where she finds all strange creatures. So, children, whenever we see some dream at night, we feel some imaginary creatures at that time. Like that only this girl has also felt. Okay? But she is not sleeping at that time, children. We will see what she was doing at that time. Okay? This is a small part taken out of that novel, children. What happens in this story is that Alice is sitting close to the river bank. Do you know the meaning of river bank, children? River bank is the area which is close to the river. Okay? Her sister is busy in reading book at that time, but Alice is not interested in it. Children, Alice's sister was busy in reading book, but Alice was not interested in it. Why? Because that book did not have any pictures or any conversation for to keep her entertained. Normally, all of you like the books which have so many pictures and interesting conversation, na children. Like that, the small little girl Alice was also interested in to see pictures and interested in conversations which makes her entertained. So she notices a white rabbit at that time. Suddenly everything was okay, but she realizes that the rabbit has waistcoat and he is ever carrying a pocket watch. Children, that rabbit has or a waistcoat. Waistcoat means, just look at the picture here, children. This red color coat. This small rabbit has or this waistcoat and a wristwatch. She has put, this rabbit has hold a wristwatch. Look at the picture. If you can't see it clearly, you can see in your book. This rabbit has over a waistcoat and put a wristwatch. Okay? Children, it is a pocket watch, not a wristwatch. Okay? You see the picture, it is a pocket watch. See, that small rabbit has holded a pocket watch. So Alice thinks, in my life I have never seen a rabbit like this. Children, have you ever do you ever see a rabbit who has wore a waistcoat and hold a pocket watch? Like that little girl Alice has never seen a rabbit who has wore a waistcoat and a pocket watch. So she starts following the rabbit, and what happened after following, you know? She suddenly fell down in a rabbit hole. While she is falling down, she is thinking, oh my, the fall is so slow. Or maybe I can see everything around me. She was thinking like that, when suddenly that little girl fell down into the rabbit hole. She thinks that, Oh my, why I am going this much slowly and I can see everything around me. She could see the wall, the maps, the pictures hang on the wall. She even picked up a orange marmalade. Do you know the meaning of marmalade, children? Marmalade means it's like orange juice. Okay? So she picked up a orange marmalade from the wall. So, and she put it back when she had the time to put it back on the shelf, and then she went down and down and down, thinking this falling is never going to come to an end. I might just fall through the center of the earth. Then she started having all the visions of her cat Dina. Children, while this little girl Alice was falling down on the rabbit hole, she was thinking that when this hole will end, I might be go reach near the center of the earth. पृथ्वी मझिरे जाइकी मु पहुँची जीवी बोधे. She thought like that. So suddenly she thought about her cat, pet cat, whose name is Dina. However, cat would be hungry at home, and would anybody remember to give her milk? She suddenly think, मो छोट बिलेई भोकिला हो जाइथिबो, किए ताको पीवा पाई मिल्क देइथिबे कि नाई कि. Okay, she thought like that. She was thinking, she remembers that maybe if not rats in that hole, Dina could find bats if cats eats bat, or maybe bats eats cat. Children, this is very much confusing, I know, because this girl is only in the imaginary world. She thinks whatever comes in her mind. Understood? So suddenly this little girl thinks, my pet cat Dina, if she would be here, she may eat rats. If rats are not in the hole, she may eat bats. If cats eat bats, then bats eats cat. She was so confused, and what happens later? She comes to a thump. Do you know the meaning of thump, children? There was a thump sound and she lands on the ground. Thump means whenever you fall from the up, one type of sound comes. That sound here writer has been written as thump. She sees another passage where the rabbit starts running and starts following the rabbit. So when see another passage means rasta, she starts following the rabbit, children. Alice starts following the rabbit. Finally she hears the rabbit saying, "Oh my ears and whiskers." Oh my ears and whiskers means it's a way of showing surprise. That rabbit was showing surprise. Alice is thinking, oh, this rabbit is talking also. Children, have you ever wondered if rabbit could talk, how it would be? So this is the whole strange world of Alice, children. I hope you have understood the story. I know all of you may get little bit confused, but if you read it repeatedly and if you listen my story repeatedly, you will understand it. This is the only story and a small part of the novel which is completely imaginary, children. Imaginary means which never happens in reality. Okay? So this is the story, children. I hope all of you understood it. So children, like every chapter, I was giving you some dictation words. Today also I have come with these dictation words, means little bit difficult words for you. You just do one thing, children, you write it in your copy and say with me now. Otherwise you say after me, you can say after me, okay? So first word is beginning. Beginn. Next word is river bank. River, river. Bank. Next conversations. 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 Pronounce it with me. Waistcoat. waist, waist, coat, coat, waistcoat. Hurried, hurried, hurried. Straight, straight, straight. Tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. Wonder, wonder. Next, cupboards, cupboards, cupboards. Next, disappointment, disappointment, disappointment. Okay, now tumbling, tumbling. Next, bookshelves, book, book, shelves, shelves. Next, miles, 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 miles. Next, downward, down, ward, word, downward. Next, saucer, saucer. Next, dozing, dozing. Next, passage, passaze. Next, dreamy, dreamy. Next, chasing, chasing. Next, whiskers, whiskers, whiskers. So children, these are the dictation words. Hope all of you pronounced it properly. Now we came to the word meanings of this lesson. First one is pop down. What is the meaning of pop down, children? Quickly jumped into. When that Eli's fallen down, at that time we can say pop down. Think nothing of. What is the meaning of think nothing of? Never be afraid of. In this story, think nothing of meaning is never be afraid of. Kebe bhi no doriba. Dozing off. Dozing off means falling asleep. Means nido lagiba. Passage means tunnel. Tunnel means you know na children. It's a way, a dark way, tunnel. Okay, that's it. Ran like the wind means ran very fast. Wind means you know na pobono. You know how wind blows fastly, like that. Ran like the wind means ran very fast. Bahut speed re dodiba. Okay children, hope all of you understood this lesson, this story, and learned the dictation words and learned the word meanings. You do one thing, read the story, try to understand it, listen my video, then you will understand it clearly. After that, you write these dictation words and these word meanings in your notebook. Okay children, that's it for today. Have a good day.